Hey guys, welcome to SweetieSembly, where I show you how to assemble your baby gear. So today I'm actually going to be doing a video that was requested by a commenter. She asked me to make a video showing you how to deassemble the Ingenuity bouncer that I've made videos about before. I'll also link those videos in the description box below so you can see them. So yeah, that's what I will be doing today. I will be going over how to take apart the Ingenuity Automatic Bouncer in this video. As always, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing, hitting that bell button, hitting like, and leaving a comment down below so that you can have access to more videos like this one. Okay, enough of that, let's get to it. First, we strip the frame, starting by pulling off the toy bar. Then, you remove the music box, just like I showed you in part 2 of this series, link down below. Now we take the cover off by unbuckling the back. And then pulling it off. Next, we remove the top and bottom frame. You press the side like so and pull out. Repeat with the bottom. Now, we remove the middle frame. You will need a screwdriver for this. You go to the bottom here, and you can see where the middle frame fits into the slot of the side frame. This is removable. What you will need to do to remove it is stick the screwdriver in the slot and push the middle piece up. Once that lever is out of the slot, you can pull the middle frame out from the side frame. Now, you repeat the process with the other side. And there you have it. Those are all the pieces off and ready for storage. Links in the description box below. Okay, there you have it, folks. That is exactly how you deassemble the Ingenuity Automatic Bouncer. I know it's a bit difficult, it's not in the manual, and I don't think there are any other videos showing you how to do this, so please. Rude. So please hit like and leave a comment down below letting me know how much it helped you or not, or whatever you want. And it'd be awesome if you would subscribe too, so you can get more videos like this one where I show you stuff that just isn't in the manual and nobody else has figured out. Yeah, there's a lot of value in this, guys. There's a lot of value for you. There's a lot in it for you in this channel. So subscribe if you'd like. Alright, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless, and see you in the next one.